Welcome to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. My name is Rich. If you've been following the channel, you know we do lots of different and cool things, including repairs, upgrades, modifications with our Jeep Wranglers.
Ugh, that's really tight.
All good.
There it is.
Link to the Jeep Wrangler Things playlist is in the description below. In this video, we swap out the soft top for a bikini top. This has been another production from the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. If you liked the video, click subscribe so we can see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.